The BERNINA L890 has Bernina's famous freehand system installed. So this piece came with your machine. You're going to find there's a little opening just underneath the housing here where you're going to slide it in kind of at about a 630 angle. Now as you push it all the way in, you're going to find that as you push it all the way over with your right knee, that foot will come down onto your fabric. And you can do this a couple different ways. If the foot is down, the little kind of push against this lifts the foot so you can adjust your fabric just a little bit, kind of let it ease or relax as you're working on it. And again, you don't have to stop and reach behind the machine every time you want to do that. All hands are on deck here. If your presser foot is up, you can go ahead and push your knee all the way over. You'll kind of hear the little lever in the back kind of release, and then again, the foot will come down. The one thing this does not do is ever push it back up in a locked position. So if you do want your foot to then eventually be in the up position, or you'll need to come back here and actually lock it back up, but you can always drop it down from that locked position by using it. Now the other thing is, and since you can kind of see my feet down here, is I will sometimes move this foot control over to my left foot. Now this might sound odd, but it is always recommended even on the sewing machines that have this feature, because if you are lifting and lowering with your right knee and sewing with your left foot, you will find that you don't accidentally try to do this in two operations. So like some people start to lean against this when they're trying to sew with their right foot. So if you can separate it, it totally is much easier. Again, awkward at first, but I guarantee just a couple minutes of using it, you'll be like, oh yeah, this is like being able to do different pedals in your car with two different feet. Like back when you're doing stick shifts, not now when you're doing brake and gas. That's different. All right, so try this out. Once you have it in, I bet you're probably gonna leave it attached because it is just so easy to use. It's usually not in your way, and then you have it already on the machine. As soon as you get into that sticky situation where you need 5 hands, you at least can have 3. I hope you'll check out all of our free videos. Right down here at this link, we can play the complete playlist of the free video tutorials for the BERNINA L890. Plus in the description below, we've got a lot of our online courses that are SERGER focused on the Craftsy platform that we totally recommend. All right, everybody, enjoy using all the features of your BERNINA L890. Happy serging!